And now to reinstall the pulley. Reinstalling the pulley is super important to ensure that you put it on properly. As it came off, it goes back on. Reversing it is the wrong way. You will never get your lined up back on, and you'll never get the pump pulley back off again. So to install, you must use the installation tool. Here's the installation tool. We're going to hold the shaft and we're going to rotate the nut, and it's on a bearing. Give it a drop of oil in the threads to ensure that it runs smoother rather than tougher. Super important to use this collar that fits right there. Super important. The pulley in the proper position. Righty-tighty the shaft in. Seat it. The 1-inch wrench on the box end is always helpful so it doesn't slip out. Reverse that to hold it and rotate the nut. As you travel in, be cognizant of the travel that you do. You must eyeball the shaft. Release it by reversing the ratchet and just giving it a shot. Lefty loosey on the shaft. And we're looking for flush. Not quite flush. Bring it back, not quite flush. Back in, probably about 3 or 4 millimeters to travel still. Just having a peek to ensure that I've got the right setup for it. And in the end, this is what we are looking for, a flush shaft to the top of the puller installation.